Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the poll sticker on your TikTok videos. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Poll sticker is where you can ask your viewers to vote on a question and they can answer with option 1 or 2. To use the poll sticker, open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video. You can record your own video or upload a video from the gallery. In the video editing screen, tap on the sticker option at the bottom. Now find the poll sticker and tap on it. Tap on the ask a question text and add your question to it. Now where it says yes and no, tap on it and enter your options. Unfortunately, TikTok only allows you to add 2 options. You can move this poll anywhere you like on the screen and resize it as per your choice. The poll will always stay on the screen and you're only allowed 1 poll per TikTok video. Once you're done, go ahead and post your video to TikTok. And that is how to use the poll sticker on your TikTok videos. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.